Hey everyone, got an iPhone and just updated to iOS 18? Maybe you're excited about the new features, but also a bit worried about your data. Wondering if you can restore your data after the update? Well, you're in the right place. It's a common concern, especially with major updates like iOS 18. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Restoring your data is easier than you might think. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure it's a reliable connection to avoid any interruptions. Open Finder on your Mac, and you'll see your iPhone listed under Devices. Click on it to proceed. Alright, now locate the Restore Backup option. This is where the magic happens. Once you find it, click on it. This will open a list of all the backups available on your computer. You'll see a list of available backups. These are snapshots of your iPhone at different points in time. Pick the one you want to restore. It's usually a good idea to choose the most recent one. Next, click Restore. Your computer will start transferring the data back to your iPhone. This includes your photos, messages, apps, and settings. This might take a little while, so be patient. The time it takes can vary depending on the size of the backup. Once it's done, your iPhone will restart. This is a good sign that the restoration process is complete. And just like that, your data is back. You should see all your apps, photos, and settings just as they were before the update. Remember, always keep your backups up to date to avoid any data loss in the future. It's a good habit to back up your iPhone regularly. Got more iPhone questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you with all your tech needs.